Here I have Micromax Canvas, and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you should find your desired language, so in my case let me choose English from United States. Here you can also choose emergency call to make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's just go next. Alright, so here you can select the Wi-Fi network, so let me do it. Let me choose my Wi-Fi and let's enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose here connect. Let me go next. As you can see, the device obtaining the IP address. Let's wait a few seconds. And the phone is checking connections. The phone is looking for an available software update. Excellent, as you can see, the Google sign-in panel pops up, so here you can sign in Google account. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend it to have the few interesting stuff enabled. So let me enter my email. And let's here also tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. If you are ready, let's simply find here the next button and tap it. Tap Agree to Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Alright, so here you can also restore some backup if you would like to, or you can select from the following list set up as a new device and you can have a fresh start. Let me do it that way. Let's just tap next, tap skip to screen lock, skip anyway, tap more and next, and that's it. The welcome panel pops up, so it means that everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.